Northeast-facing garden benefits and drawbacks. Dear friends, when you're planning on moving home, taking the new garden plot into consideration could be very important to you. For homeowners who take pride in their green thumb, they may not be expecting the adjustments that come with having a garden that faces northeast. Who is a northeast garden suitable for? For those who enjoy tanning, lying outside in the sun, and having pool parties, you might want to reconsider moving into a home with a garden that faces northeast. It's less likely to get any large amounts of direct sunlight, and they aren't the warmest gardens around. However, if you enjoy having lunch outdoors, like throwing parties without all of your guests getting sunburnt, and are happy to adjust the plants that you usually grow, this could be the garden for you. Let's look at the pros and cons next. The benefits of a northeast garden. You should think about your new northeast garden the way you think about the plants that you keep indoors. These plants thrive in shady areas, with little sunlight, and still manage to bring a splash of color to your home. There are plenty of outdoor plants that are similar and will grow well in shaded areas of your garden, which you'll have plenty of if you have a garden that faces northeast. As a side note, you could benefit from having a pond or small well built into your garden. These make lovely features, and fish don't need sunshine to thrive. There's nothing more charming than sitting outside by the pond, reading a good book, or watching a movie online. Think about the possibilities, not the missed opportunities. Every garden is unique and only needs a touch of creativity to look amazing. The downside to a garden that faces northeast. You'll find that you will have more sunlight in the early morning if your garden faces northeast. This is fine for early risers, but maybe not so much for those who like to sleep in or work nights. The sunlight will recede down your garden as the day goes on, meaning that you'll need to plant your flowers strategically to ensure that you only have shade-loving plants at the back of your property. Homes with patios or other extensions will find that their extension gets a lot of shade. It will be difficult to use those areas as a sunroom or find somewhere extremely sunny to sit because the placement of your home just won't allow a lot of direct light or heat to reach you. You may find that you get little to no sun at all during the winter months. This is fine for some, but again, you will need to plan your garden accordingly and take advantage of plants, like snowdrops, that will bloom in the shade during the colder seasons. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.